Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Foxy's Motor Inn on Florence and Hoover Street. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, spa, room service and a 24-hour front desk. Foxy's Motor Inn on Florence and Hoover Street is located in Los Angeles. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Los Angeles International Airport is 6.8 miles away. Room amenities include a hot tub and pay-per-view channels to help guests unwind. And private bathroom provides a bath and shower. Extras include air conditioning, bed linens, a fan, and cleaning products. At Foxy's Motor Inn on Florence and Hoover Street, you will find a 24-hour reception and a garden. Other facilities offered at the property include a vending machine. The property offers free parking. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.